In this video, I'll show you how to upload your course on Udemy. Uploading a course on Udemy lets you share your knowledge with students around the world. Before you begin, make sure your course videos, title, description, learning objectives, and course structure are ready. First, open Udemy in your browser and sign into your account. If you are not already an instructor, go to the instructor area and follow the steps to become a Udemy instructor. Once you are inside the instructor dashboard, click Create a new course. Udemy will ask you to choose the type of course you want to create. For most instructors, this will be a video-based course. Next, enter your course title. Choose a title that clearly explains what students will learn. After that, select the course category, language, and other basic details. Now, create your course curriculum. This is where you organize your course into sections and lectures. For example, you might have an introduction section, beginner lessons, practical exercises, and a final project. Click Add section to create each part, then click Add lecture to add individual lessons. After creating your lectures, upload your video files. Select each lecture, click the Upload option, and choose the correct video from your computer. Wait for Udemy to finish processing the file before moving on. Next, complete the course landing page. Add a clear course description, learning outcomes, requirements, target audience, and a promotional image. This helps students understand what your course offers before enrolling. You should also set your pricing, add promotional videos if needed, and check Udemy's course quality requirements. Make sure your audio is clear, videos are high quality, and lessons are easy to follow. Before publishing, preview your course as a student. Check that every video, title, description, and lecture order is correct. Finally, submit your course for Udemy review. Once approved, your course can be published and made available to students. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.